Well, I wish I had taped the freezer when it was making all the noise, but all of a sudden the freezer started sounding like a truck, and I googled a little bit and they said it was probably ice built up on a fan behind this panel in here. You can hear it running smoothly and normally now. I didn't have the time to take everything out and take the panel off, so all I did was I disconnected the ice tray, not the motor itself, and I took a hair dryer. Oh, sorry. I took a hair dryer here and I blew in all these vents up top there, around the base where the wire is, around there, and it seemed to do the trick. I blew the hair dryer in there for about 5 minutes and it's quieted right down. So maybe give that a shot if your freezer and ice maker is making a lot of noise. There's a fan behind there that hits ice buildup, and I was able to get enough heat back there that I didn't have to take this entire panel off, which involves removing all of the items from the freezer. I only had to take the stuff off the top shelf and disconnect the ice tray. Alright, that's it.